Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to fix the turtle bitch headset mic is not working. First is check the charge and power on. Fully charge the headset and then power it on and update the firmware if it's available. 2 is to check the pairing and to the console settings. Repair the headset, which means the repair, not the repair itself. Now repair the headset with the transmitter, use a different USB port, or on console, go to the settings, devices and audio devices. Set this cell 600 to 700 as the input or output, and you can test the mic under and adjust microphone level. Third is the in-game settings. Ensure voice chat is enabled in-game and set voice to open mic and not to push to talk. Into the party settings, set the audio to prioritize chat or game depending on use. Fourth is to power cycle the system. Unplug the transmitter and power off headset and shut down the console and unplug from wall. Wait 1 minute and then plug everything back, power on and repair. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.